What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles, and we got one of our favorite things ever to get in. We got a Goldwing Trike. What year is this beast?
I honestly don't even know. I want to say it's in 08.
I think it's in 08. 2008. You can't see it. 2008 Goldwing Trike with ba-da-bum, ba-da-ba. Oh, it's got the nav system. Is it actually nav? Does it have nav? It has 6,000 miles on it. Navigation? Oh, there's like, I don't know how that thing works. Whatever. 2008. Sorry about the lighting, it's a little goofy. With navigation, guys. This thing's sweet. So it's all black. It's got a motor trike kit on it. Some big old radial TA BF Goodrich tires. So really, you know, these are where it usually gets those stone chips. It's not, so that's pretty protected. But these are looking pretty, these like wheel hubs are looking pretty, these fenders, fender flares, these fenders are looking pretty good. This whole bike's looking pretty clean. Lindsay did wipe it down. She did an okay job. Not really, I wiped it down after she wiped it down. This bike's looking pretty clean. It does have pinstriping everywhere, if you can see that. The chrome's in good shape. It's only got 6,000 miles on it, so like I didn't ride it that much. I mean, if you're buying a trike, I imagine, you know, if you're spending that kind of money brand new and putting the trike kit on it, I would imagine you're usually taking these things distance. And this one's looking pretty good. It's got motor trike rims. Yeah, this one looks pretty darn clean. Heated seat in the rear for your passenger. Obviously, it's got the comp system hookup. This thing is like fully loaded. The seat is in great shape. It's got a tender on it. Boards and board pegs. That's pretty cool. Whoa, what is that? Is this like a seatbelt? I don't even know what the thing is. This thing is in great shape, guys. I need to find a flaw in this though, because you're not going to believe me that it's in that good of shape. Oh, we got a scratch right there. I don't know if you can even see it. Right there. A couple little scratches along there, if you can see that. Right there. It's got that chrome front rim, chrome lowers. It does have ABS. Man. I'm not a big pinstriping guy, but to be honest with you, it does not bother me. The green and blue, I mean, it's probably a little more than what I'd want. But personally, it's not. I've seen some pretty crazy paint jobs. So the pinstriping doesn't really bother me that much. This thing is in pretty darn good shape. Now, I know what some of you guys are thinking. It does have the front rake to it. We can definitely tell that. It doesn't have the big boards. Like I know the California sidecar kit has the big boards on it. Oh, something's popped off there. Oh, I don't know if that's supposed to be open, but that is open. But most of them have the big boards on it. They kind of wrap around the whole thing. This one doesn't. So it doesn't have that. It looks like it's got a lot of accessories, a lot of chrome. Oh, navigation system. Let's see how this beast works. The air system has gauges here. That's pumping up. That's releasing the air. I know it works because we used it to get off the trailer. It's got a PIA system. Ben, are lights flipping on and off? Okay, so I just flipped on PIA lights. And there's those lights right there. That's pretty cool. LEDs. And that switch is right there. Okay, let's see. Navigation. Menu. Maybe it doesn't have nav. There. Oh, enter. Oh, it's got nav. That's awesome. That's so cool. Navigation system. What do you think about that, Ben?
It's pretty sweet, dude. I know there's a bunch of stuff in this like trunk.
Okay, pop that trunk. Trunk open.
Well, I don't know.
Nav buttons, CB, audio. You got everything here. It looks like you can zoom in and out on your nav from here. Zoom in and out, push for voice guide. That's pretty cool. You can see that. High beams. It's got reverse, obviously. Did anything happen when I flipped these? Oh, it's got running. It's got like lights everywhere. That's super cool, like yellow lights. That's super cool. There's red ones in the back. Woo-hoo! That's pretty cool. I mess with that. It's got a hitch. I mess with that.
Get the guy. There's like a.
Oh yeah, you pop that up.
Alright, that's that. This is the seat cover.
Oh, that's what those snaps are for. It's got a seat cover. It's got. Does this not want to stay? Oh, because it's got so much crap underneath. We got like a Kuryakin, like an organizer with pens and stuff. Dang. It looks like the Goldwing kit, the Honda Goldwing manual, another manual, the key fobs and such for the bike. What's in here? Just like another Goldwing storage thing with bulbs and stuff like that. This guy had a lot of stuff. Holy cow. Really a lot of stuff.
So this opens somehow. I'm not sure.
There we go. Whoa, so we got, these look like for the front rotors. I'll hand you this stuff.
Yep.
Service manual and electrical troubleshooting manual.
And there's we have a cover for it too.
So this is the service manual for the bike. This guy took some hardcore notes on this thing. If you bought the bike and just sold all the manual stuff with it, you'd get like half your money back. Electrical troubleshooting manual. Looks like this is a cover. A couple covers, it looks like. Spray clean. Some gloves. Some sunglasses and gloves. Man, I don't know if I might throw some of that stuff away. Yeah, a little gnarly. That's crazy though. This guy had a lot of stuff with his bike. Yeah, they're in the bags.
No, here.
Oh, that's the cover.
This is the cover.
That's the cover. Oh, what's in here then, I wonder? Dang. It's got a lot of stuff with it, guys. If you want these front brake rotors, I'll put everything back in. Maybe I'll just leave everything in there. And I'm showing you in the video. Okay. That's kind of cool. It's kind of cool how that like pulls out and pushes in. And how does that latch? You know, this thing might be pushing. It's not gonna get that. Alright, I'm gonna let Ben figure out how that goes back.
Just like that.
Sweet.
This goes back down.
Got that seat cover. So this thing has everything, guys. It's in killer shape. I mean, I found a few little scratches on that one mirror. Honestly, I'm not seeing much. It's only got 6,000 miles on it.
Did you fire it up?
It's got pinstriping. Let me fire this beast up. It's pretty cold here, so you know, that's pretty darn good for being so cold here. I could probably throw it on a tender just so it's perfect. But man, it's a beautiful bike, guys. These trikes don't last long. This one's gonna be killer price, 6,000 miles with navigation. Guys, jump on this trike. If you want a trike, don't go buy a new one. Don't go get one built. They cost you an arm and a leg. Let us know if you're interested. These trikes do not last long. Let us know if you're interested. I can ship this anywhere. Check out bikesandbeardsgear.com. Check out the Bikes and Beards website or the Bikes and Beards YouTube channel. Thanks a ton for watching, guys.